Take notes very quickly while working. You don't need to move away from your browser. Copy something from the page you are working. Click on the sticky notes app icon on the right top of the browser. Then paste it inside the app pop-up. You can close the pop-up just by clicking anywhere outside it. Bold, italics, underline, and lists, everything is just one click. App doesn't need an active internet. 3 notes visible at the same time, stop switching between notes. Express yourself, with rich text options. Hand-picked font options and breathtaking animated themes like, our beautiful solar system. Valentine, love is in the air. Dark mode, to reduce eye strain. And some, flying birds. You can also set cloud backup, automatic and manual, both options are available. Although it's a browser app, you can read your notes anywhere, using our website. Or export your notes as text files anytime. It is a must-have for modern times, as most of your work is online and happens in the browser.